In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper size in Google Docs. If you're preparing a document for printing, sharing, or following a specific format, changing the paper size is a simple but important setting to know. Google Docs gives you several standard paper size options, and once you know where to find them, the process only takes a few seconds. To begin, look at the top of your Google Docs window and click File in the menu bar. This opens the main document settings menu where you'll find options related to your file, including print settings, document details, and page formatting. From the File menu, select Page Setup. This is the section where Google Docs lets you adjust the overall layout of your document. It includes settings for things like page orientation, margins, page color, and of course, paper size. If your document needs to match a specific printing standard, this is the place to make that change. Once the page setup window appears, find the paper size option and click the drop-down menu next to it. This menu contains the available paper formats you can apply to your document. The list may vary slightly depending on your region, but the most common options are usually included. Now choose the paper size you want. For example, you might select letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches and commonly used in the United States. You could also choose legal, which is 8.5 by 14 inches, or tabloid, which is 11 by 17 inches. If you use international document standards, you may want A4, which measures 210 by 297 millimeters, or A5, which is 148 by 210 millimeters. The best option depends on how you plan to print or share the document, so it's worth choosing the size that matches your intended format. After selecting the paper size you want, click OK to apply the new setting. Your document will immediately update to reflect the new page dimensions. Keep in mind that changing paper size can affect how your content fits on the page, so it's a good idea to quickly review the layout afterward. You may notice spacing, line breaks, or page count change slightly depending on the size you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the paper size in Google Docs. This is a useful setting to remember whenever you need your document to meet printing requirements or standard page formats. Thank you for watching.